So let's try. Bismillah. Just a little bit pakoda and curry. Bismillah. It's so yummy. For this recipe, I take about 500 gram live yogurt and I add slowly about 3 glass water, like quite thin. I'll show you. That thin, okay? It must be that thin. And now I'm gonna add half a cup gram flour or besan. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And after 2-3 minute mixing, I'm gonna add just 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or healthy powder. Mix, mix, mix again. I'm gonna cook it and stir it until it's boiled, because otherwise if we don't stir, it might get lumpy. Okay, and now my mixture boiled, and I'm going to add few masala, which is haldi powder, turmeric powder, curry powder, chili powder, paprika, salt, and my mixed masala. You can use any mixed masala, but this is my own mixed masala. I use it by half a teaspoon. And now mix it again. Slow down the flame and cook it for good 25 minutes under the lid. And now let's make our pakoda mixture. So I take about 1 cup gram flour, 2 red onion, but you can take any onion. I take middle size. Just a little bit coriander. I use 2 chili, 2 bullet pepper, and 2 spring onion. According to your taste, salt, and again 1 spoon of my mixed masala. That's all. And now give a good mix. So I'm gonna add slowly water and make a nice mixture. So mixture is supposed to look like that. My oil is heated now, and I'm gonna add my pikori. So all my pakoras in, and I'm gonna cook that on slow to medium flame. My pakora is ready. I'm gonna place that aside, and now keep another pan for my tadka. And I'm gonna add 3-4 cloves of garlic, chopped, little bit big slices. Saute that. A few curry leaves. Little bit chili flakes. And just for color, little bit paprika. Okay. It's all done. Check our curry. Give a good mix. You can see it's properly cooked now. I'm gonna add my tadka. Wawaji, wawaji. And now I'm gonna add my pakora. And after a few minutes, just sprinkle some dhania, coriander, fresh coriander. Give a good mix. And my curry is ready. This is my mom style curry pakora. Please let me know in comments that you like my recipe or not, and from which country you watching me, so I can say salam to you. It's almost ready. Let's dish it out.
And then she said, Bismillah.